Okay, guys, literally a few seconds ago, no, just now, I put the phone up so I could go, so you guys were at 7-Eleven, like I tell you, like 5 seconds ago. I pulled the phone out, I accidentally pressed the off button. But here we go. Nah, tell me what it smelled like.
Come on, go do what I told you to do.
Here's the time. 7:18. And in that time, yeah, finally, at 7-Eleven. Hold my hand and miss that flame. We made it. Hey. I don't think Tracy's here. So those people should be in there. Would they give us a refill? Okay, that's all I need to know. Alright. That's where I go. Gotta grab this. We don't got nothing. Mom, move the window. Okay, open the door. I want to get your best reaction for this.
Open the door.
Open the door. Okay. Imagine if this was you. I feel so bad for her. Yeah, Mom, we only have, wait, Mom, so I was in there, and the white lady said, she said the paper person hasn't came yet. The paper person hasn't came yet. And then she, and then I turned around, and she said, oh, you are the paper person. Guys, I'm sorry for laughing. If this was you, if you like this video, if this was you, then you get a free Snicker. Free Snicker bar. I'm sorry, old man. I'm sorry. It's like, look at that water. Hold up. Actually, Mom, this looks like, I'm about to say downtown. Mom, this is actually, the place that we delivered to, because I remember the red car.
Why would you be like, some stuff just ain't funny.
Okay. No, Mom, I'm actually at your whatchamacallit,
Yeah, but my reaction wasn't funny.
Your reaction, Mom, I want you to say, oh, dang, oh, my, hurry up, people want their papers. People, calm down. Mom, describe the smell that you smell. Mama said it was a light, sweet lemon, orange meringue must. $100 perfume smell like that. No, Ma. Wait, yes, dang. Oh, bye. I gotta go find the food I want. Run. Wrong side. No. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone.
Nasty, isn't it? Yes.
Come on, ma.
Hey, how you doing, dear?
Ma, look. This is the only paper that we had today. Look. Ooh, so jiggly. Look. We just had that and we just had this.
Okay.
But we need Washington. Wait, we gotta go Washington.
I'm going to get them now.
Okay. I'll go guard the stand. Shot glasses. Shot. My dad. She's thieving on these papers. Stop looking right there. Look right there. These people know what's in here. I can get this for my dog. Look at this. I think he'll love it. I was supposed to get a Siberian Husky and a Rottweiler, but my mom said for Christmas, but my birthday is in 25 days away, November the 3rd. I'll be turning 13, and then I can have some of this. No, I'm kidding. I don't drink. She said I could get a Yorkie. A Yorkie. I'm like, what? Freaking Yorkie? I said, wait, she said either that or the PlayStation 3 with a whole lot of games. I said no, because I can go into cash and converters. We go get, wait, hold on, the screen turned wrong. And cash and converters, to cash and converters and go get, like I went to go to cash and converters and go buy a PlayStation 4. Yeah, but she said that she was going to get the Xbox One S for me and the PlayStation 4. So now she all changed up her mind. I'm like, what? I like this one. Away with it. Oh, my hand, and it's the flip. Guys, look at me. Look so good. Here, wait. On the Tuesday.
We can follow our sheep Tuesday.
Oh, I look so dark in this picture. I look so dark in this picture. Come on. About it. There's my mom. There she is. They're actually very far away. This is freaking $100. Okay. I got money for all of Mr. Sandy's so much money. But I like this one. I like it. I mean, like, look at me. Look. But I think these are for girls. I don't know. Who do I like? Who do I like? My football team ain't going nowhere this season, and I'm afraid to admit it. I really don't want to, but I'll tell you guys my favorite football team is the Eagles. My team. The reason why is because when I was a child, I really liked Eagles. It was like my favorite animal. Yes.
Stop all that playing around, though.
It was like my favorite animal when I was Eagle.
Take that off your head because you're not finna buy it.
Yes, ma'am.
And go put that up and get your tail out there and help me get the rest of the papers in here.
Yes, ma'am. Look at all these people. Be right back. I actually know every person. No, not every person. I actually know people who work here, and sometimes they give us free food.
Oh, come on, hurry up.
I said they're in here. They're right. Whoa. Hold up. Here's Washington. That's New York. That's good life. Washington. Oh man. Where did I put it? Ma. No. Ma, did you fall in? You're taking too long. Question about the wrapper. Karen. Well, Ma. Did you fall in?
I don't look wet, though.
Okay, we need to go.
I gotta go.
Let's go. So jiggly. Oh, I'm getting married.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Stop playing. It's time for you to go. You should have been in here and got whatever you was gonna get.
Okay.
I'm ready to go. And you ought to know when I'm playing and when I'm not playing. Get off me.
You look wet. Okay.
So go get what you gonna get and get up out of here.
Okay, pause the video. Pause it, Mom.